to my channel. So it's today is Saturday, and I just want to take you guys along my day. It's currently 7, and I'm going to do my devotions, and I'll talk to you guys after, because I use my phone to do my devotions. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm after that. So guys, oh my god, it's currently 8:15. I did my morning devotion, my usual morning routine that you guys have seen multiple times, and right now I uploaded my video. Most actually I delayed a bit, but it's a deep cleaning with me video, so if you're interested, go check it out. Okay, so right now I have to get cleaning. I'll show you guys when I get to the kitchen. It's a mess. I just uploaded a deep cleaning video, and my kitchen is a mess right now. Like, yeah. Okay. So let's go clean. Hey guys, as you can see, the kitchen is a mess. Oh my god, this is bad. Like, oh my god, I freaking just deep cleaned last week. Anyways, the kitchen is like this because my mom actually made some spaghetti and garlic bread for her office people yesterday, but so she did it like in the morning at like 4 and stuff, so we left for the day. So when we came back in the evening, I was just about to like clean and stuff when the lights went off. So it was Friday and the light went off, so I wasn't able to clean then. So oh my god, the light is bad. So what to do today, honestly, it's mainly washing the dishes. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to follow my weekend routine. Let me show you guys. I have it on Notion. It just helps me, know what I have to do on the weekend. So let me show you. So first I start with cleaning the kitchen, and I clean the microwave, and then so this is what I do. You see, I don't know how to read it. So yeah, come to clean the kitchen now, clean the microwave. I don't even want to show you, and then sweep. But we actually have someone who comes to help us with the sweeping, so I just pick up so the person can actually clean, and then I empty the trash, sweep the terrace, and then head off to clean my bedroom and do some laundry. The woman also helps with laundry, but I like to do my own laundry. So yeah, okay, let's get clean. This is a mess. It's currently 8:30. I want to finish everything on my like weekend cleaning by 11:30, so that's enough time. Let's get on it.
Tried to leave it all behind, wandered alone through the night. Me and all of my dreams are fading. My darkness has won the fight. Is there someone there? A voice that will turn back the light, take me days has turned to sand, a place with no start and no end. In my mind I see clear water, endlessly waiting for us. Is there someone there? A voice that will turn back the light, take me anywhere. Falling, wearing my crown, afraid of the time. My body's old, but I'm still breathing. Changing my shape like the clouds. I am home again. This is my paradise. Take me anywhere. All of my dreams are fading. It's not a life we're living. It's just.
I'm done with the kitchen now. I need to take the trash out. Oh, I need to put these packs also in the storeroom. But yeah, these things I put water in it because it is hard. I'm able to scrub it out. And yeah, so right now I'm going to take the trash out and then sweep the terrace. Hey guys, I know it's a lot later now, but I had a bit of a problem with my phone. It's literally 7. I think the last time I talked to you it was like 11. We are not even thinking. Thanks about 10:15. Wow, yeah. What? I had a bit of a problem with my phone. I haven't even been productive today. After the cleaning, I haven't done much. I haven't done anything. I haven't even back, guys. I'm the most organized person you ever meet, but today was not it. Anyways, right now, you know, we're gonna pick it up, you know. So right now, I'm going to like sew a scrunchie and hairband for my cousin because her birthday is next week. And I'm coming to do it. Yeah. We also have to make dinner. When are you going to do Indomie? I'm going to make some Indomie, so yeah. Okay, sewing time, you know. Gotta first pick. No, I'm sewing. Yeah, I'm cutting it. I'm not coming to cut. I'm coming to now look for, you know, fabric. A very nice fabric. Let me show you guys our scraps situation. You know. Okay, I think I've not even explained this before my channel, but like I'm a fashion designer, you know, with a certificate and all that stuff. Yeah, so like I know how to sew. Like I sew a lot of stuff. I think I'll put some pictures on the screen for you guys. I sew, so yeah. Anyways, let me show you guys the scrap situation. Okay guys, so we've got all these bags full of fabric. Oh, this is so good. Yes, I am going to go with this one. It's actually a really nice fabric and it's scrap. You can be used for like a big dress, but for a scrunchie it's so good. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so this is the fabric I've chosen. I actually have a scrunchie pattern, but as of now I don't really know what it is, so I'm just going to go with my scrunchie.
Twisted.
The twisted one. I'm just going to go with the directions to my hair because I know the directions, like the measurements. So no, I'm going to do it. No, I use satin. Wait, I use satin. The satin I make kai. Okay, so me and say yeah. Okay guys, I am currently coming to, you know, we're going to eat Indomie this evening and I've got like pick some stuff, but the kitchen is, as you can see, you can't even see me, the kitchen is so dark, so the freezer lights up. So I don't think I will talk to you guys when I go out in the light to sew. So I'm just going to chop some stuff for dinner. Honestly, let me stand here. Chop some stuff for dinner, and yeah, I'll show you my dinner and also when I'm sewing. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed about this vlog. I wasn't able to vlog and all stuff. Honestly, I'm so sad. It's fine. Anyways, we're doing it now, so yeah. Guys, so this is my food. I don't even know if it's dark and you can't see, but this is the instant noodles. I'm just going to relax now and just eat, and then I'll talk to you guys when it's time for me to sew. Yay. You're all invited as usual. Okay guys, so I'm done eating now. So what happened? What is it? It's there. What did you do? What did you do? Let me sort this out. Joby, what is it? It's okay, okay. It's me. Anyway, guys, I'm going to like wash the dishes now and then back. And then I'll come in soon. Like show you guys and stuff like that. So let's go. Okay guys, I'm fresh out of the shower and I feel fresh. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the fabric to sew the scrunchie back and the hairband, but I really need to check if there's elastic. Is there elastic? Something
Small one, I don't.
but the big one there's something. Okay, guys, I found some elastic. So I'm going to cut now. Okay, I'm going to cut the fabric. The laptop brightens my face. Okay, come to cut now. I'll go into detail in another video about how to make these, but today I'm just going to sew because it's really late. It's literally 8:55. So let's do it now. So my stuff is here, ready to be sewn, and I chose this thread which best suited this. Honestly, we had a lot of threads here, but like they're like pink, red, and all sorts of colors that don't really match the fabric, and this nude was just perfect. So let's just sew with that. I've already threaded the machine, so now I'm to sew, and yeah, enjoy the montage. So these are the scrunchies. I mean, this is the scrunchie and this is the wrap hair band. You guys can see this. Super cute. Yeah. Let me put it here. So I'm going to go in depth in another video, but yeah, this is it. This is my cousin's birthday gift. She has been asking for this for a long time, so it's good that I've been able to make it for her. Great. Okay guys, so right now I'm coming to plan tomorrow. Honestly, Sundays I'm not really able to plan that well, or let me say that detailed, because I don't know, it's different if we go to church and if we don't. So if we do, I have to like get ready and all that stuff. But if I don't, then I'm able to work on other stuff. So yeah, I've just planned in my morning routine, and that's it. So up to, so when I wake up, and I'll determine if we're going to church or not. But yeah, currently done with what I wanted to do. Honestly, I wanted to sew the headband for Cooper, and I did. So today was a bit stressful. One of my phones wasn't acting up a bit. I got really angry, honestly. So yeah, but yeah, at least I cleaned the kitchen, I cleaned my bedroom, I've sewn for my cousin. I posted my YouTube video, I posted my blog post. So yeah, if you guys want to check out the blog post, link will be in the description. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.